thukuru uyu wa mathomo ma kothi cia teknoloji uria uri kaunti-ini ya Machakos utanyitwo kuoya arutwo 300 thiini wa ikereka ria mbere. Kuringana na Minista wa ukinyaniria William Kabogo ni ati niguo gutigirira thukuru uyu ni wagacira kimathomo no nginyagia urugamiriri waguo wage wiingirania na uteti.
Make sure that integrity, accountability and good management is what you need in this institution. We know about institutions, Kenyatta University, I don't know what other university. They also have cartels. There's a campaign like the one of an MP, Kabisa, who is going to succeed, who is going to be where. Hizo vitu wachaneni nazo hazitatusaidia.
Hamwe noguo nioritie urugamiriri uyu gutafania woyani wa arutwo na njira ya waragania na oho gutigirira aria megwatira mieke ya guthomera kothi itiganite ni makinyanirie ikiro.
I will come here, I will do some investment and I sent you someone yesterday. So I will be the guy to start marketing and I'll give you free pro bono or advice on gardening. By September, as you dream, you shall have your first cohort of students.
Of equipment that are here, we are creating possibilities for our young people. We are creating a team that will transform Africa.
Kabogo akinyiririe arutwo aria megwateire grade ya iguru maumirira-ini ma KCSE nio mekuheo mieke ya mbere ya guthomera kothi ngurani thukuru-ini uyu.
As we prepare for accreditation and formal chartering of the institution through our Commission of University Education, we reaffirm the government and our commitment to support KAIST. I'm sure to encourage our professionals and young universities. When the opportunity comes to open, we invite you to apply, take opportunity to be pioneering students and pioneering stars to drive our country to the next continent.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.
Give our people employment.